welcome back to the channel. Got a new package in here today that I want to show everybody. It's the fuel system that I ordered for Stewie, the 10s for 10, and it's from Evil Energy. No, they did not sponsor this. I just went online and ordered it. So not getting anything for free here, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you what's in it. Alright, so let's see what we got in this one. This one should be the fuel cell. So I ordered a 10-gallon fuel cell because at least in theory, the plan is going to be to run this on regular pump gas on the driving portion, and then run it on E85 when we get to the racetrack. So let's pull it out. Let's see what we got. Well, it's packed well. Look at that. And I probably opened the wrong end of the box, which wouldn't surprise me. Yep, this is the bottom. Okay. Lay this over. First thing I'll say is looks really nice. Assuming that's a sending unit inside. Got a couple fittings here for vents. It's also got a couple fittings on this side for your inlet or outlet and return lines if you need them. Seems to be welded really nice. Felt smaller than I thought it was going to be. I do not think this is a 10-gallon cell. I really don't. But I'm going to check it out. Some foam inside. Alright. So, does not appear to be 10 gallons. I'm going to take some measurements and I'll let you all know. Alright. Alright, next up we got this package. It should have fuel pump, fuel lines, hoses, fittings, stuff like that. See, we got some like some kind of sensor probably. Put that aside. Get two of those. Oh, these are probably fittings. They are not labeled with anything but just part numbers. Again, Evil Energy. Alright. Got the PTFE fuel line. Looks pretty nice. What else we got? We have the fuel pressure regulator with gauge and fittings. Okay, it's got a little gauge to it. Alright, boost reference fuel pressure regulator, and then fittings for it. Alright. And a little Evil Energy sticker. Set that aside. Like Christmas. We have electric fuel pump. Okay. 300 liter per hour electric fuel pump. Should be sufficient. Boots through the wire. Looks really well made. Remains to be seen how long it lasts. Alright. What else do we have? A couple more little boxes in here. Crap. 100 micron fuel filter. Looks pretty good quality. Okay. Next. Let's see, mounting bracket. Another mounting bracket. One for the fuel pump, one for the filter, I'm assuming. And another 10 micron fuel filter. So 2 fuel filters, fuel pump, all the hoses and fittings contained in here. So far I'm impressed by the quality of the products. Packed really well, I can say that much. I'm gonna check on that fuel cell. Maybe it's just my eyes are deceiving me that it doesn't look like it's 10 gallons, but into the trash with that. More garbage. Cool. So I'm gonna get the, this will probably go in, it's not gonna go in right now, I'm gonna put everything back in the box because I need to cut the trunk out of the back of Stewie. I need to get some sheet metal and make a new floor pan in the trunk. And then I'll probably take the fuel cell and set it so that the top is even with the trunk floor, so I'm not taking up trunk space. And then we'll go from there. Like I said, I'll probably have a second fuel tank. I do have a second one sitting on the shelf over here that was for the Austin Healey. I may get a bigger one for the Austin Healey. So I may actually put this one and the other one over there, tie them together with some type of valve configuration that I can switch from pump gas to E85. So, yep, that's all I got for today. This week's been a really rough week. My mother passed away. I'm still trying to process that, but I think she would want me to continue doing this stuff. So I'm just probably my last video for a little bit. Maybe not. I'm trying to just keep busy. It's been a really rough week. Had another friend that died this week unexpectedly. So it's been pretty tough. But thanks for watching the channel. I'm going to dedicate everything from here on out to the memory of my mother. She turned 88 this year, or actually she turned 88 right before Christmas, and then passed away this week. So I miss her dearly. I will devote all of my channel to her memory, because she was tough. She was loving. She never met a person that didn't like immediately fall in love with her. She made me who I am, and I will be forever indebted to her. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.